Alright, good morning. Jared with Around the Bend Pressure Washing, doing work in Tallahassee. So today we've got a gutter clean out, roof clean, and then a house wash. Beautiful home. There is a lot of vegetation. Fortunately though, there are ample gutters. I'll still bag the gutters regardless, but definitely having gutters makes it a little bit easier. These gutters, looks like they got gutter guards. Definitely need some work. And then this back porch. The customer is requested to only do the top portion and then the down on the bottom, and just avoid the screens altogether. So I'll get all set up and we'll get to work. Alright, so I got everything cleaned off. Now we're going to go ahead and put our mix on. This is a 5% mix. Alright, so you can see that it's already starting to react. The saying that we use is, if it's brown it's coming down, if it's black you're coming back. This is all pretty well turning brown. Got a couple spots I may hit again. If you compare that to what it originally looked like, there's definitely a pretty big difference. After a couple of good rains, this will all clean up real nice. This one's turning out pretty good. Alright, so we're all done. Take a look around. Those banisters were some kind of green. Got that all cleaned up. Down through here. The customer actually asked me about cleaning the driveway, so let me get him a quote for that as well. And then also this fence. This fence actually goes all the way around the yard. It's a pretty good sized fence, so we'll get him a quote for that. All in all, everything turned out pretty good. He's happy. Ooh, looks like I missed some tape. So I'll get that off. He specifically did not want me to clean these screens, so that's why you still see some green. Alright, so got to put together a quote for him. The only job I got on the schedule for today. Tomorrow, hopefully going to get some commercial work in. So, see how that turns out. And until next time, thanks for watching.